What's up guys, in this video we're going to be unboxing two Revolut cards right here that I actually received by mail yesterday. One of them is the metal plan and one of them is the ultra plan. Now you could see right here, this is the metal card right here that I got. It's pretty thin. It's a regular card, and then this is the ultra plan. I have no idea what's in there. I wanted to do the unboxing with you guys right here, and look how thick this is. It's like a surprise in there. It's like $1 billion or something. I don't know. So we're going to be unboxing these two cards. We're also going to be comparing the two plans. We're going to add premium to the plan as well. I've been a metal user for a year now, or a year and a half. I know for a lot of people it's not worth it. For people who are traveling, it could be worth it. People who are doing a lot of currency exchange, it could be worth it as well. Me, I'm traveling, so it is worth it. And that's about it. So I wanted to do the unboxing in front of you guys. So we're going to start by unboxing the metal one, even though this is more like an ultra review. And then we're going to go ahead and unbox the ultra card. And that's about it. I will be hiding my details just for safety purposes, and that's about it. So let's start off with this. Maybe we're gonna do some ASMR a little bit. Let's see if this is not a fill or not. All right, so this is the metal card right here. This is the metal ultra plan. It comes in a nice little box like this, as you guys can see, something like that. I will be hiding my name, but it's pretty much something like that. Very nice box, pretty cute, pretty fresh as well. And that's about it. Just a little sticker, nothing too crazy. This is the metal card right here. I will be hiding my numbers and my name, but pretty much you guys can see right here, this is the black metal card, MasterCard right here. Pretty fresh, pretty nice, and pretty clean. I did have another metal card right here. It's in my wallet, but of course the Wi-Fi didn't work anymore, so they pretty much sent me a new one for free, and that's about it. Now I will be unboxing the ultra one. I don't know why it's so big, but let's have a look. Okay, so this is the ultra card right here. Comes in a nice little box. I have no idea why. Very new, very fresh. As you guys can see right here, this is pretty heavy. I mean, I don't know why, but let's have a look right here. You guys can see. Ooh, this is clean. Oh my god. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you guys in just a second. I just wanna close it, but look at this. Look how crazy this is. It comes in a nice little box. You feel like a millionaire. I mean, there's no name, pretty clean. This is the ultra card right here. I'm gonna unbox it in just a second. I'm not gonna show you guys the back, obviously, because that's where my details are, but that is very, I don't even know how to take that out. I mean, look at this. Okay, so this is the card right here. It's pretty fresh, pretty clean. As you guys can see right here, it's very beautiful actually. It's gray, obviously. It's a platinum one. You can't really get any other than that. You can get another color, but that's that. I'm not going to show you guys the back, obviously, because that's where my number is, but it pretty much looks like this. Nothing too crazy. There's a number and my name on the back, and that's about it. So these are the two Revolut cards that I got by mail. Let me show you guys real quick. I got this yesterday, so this is the metal one and the ultra one right here. So it comes in a nice box, very clean, very cute. I don't know why it came in a box like that. I'm very shocked and surprised, but it is pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. So we're gonna dive into the two plans right here to see if it's worth it for you. I know a lot of people say it's not worth it. It is worth it, but we're gonna be diving in straight into the comparison chart, see what you guys can potentially get or not get with Revolut Pro, Extra, Ultra, sorry, and Metal. So guys, diving into the Revolut, this is the Revolut website right here. All in one app, or one app, all things money. And obviously, for those of you guys who don't know what Revolut is, it's a digital bank overall, and that's about it. So let's have a look right here. This is the Revolut Ultra, very clean website, very nice. This is obviously the card that I got, Ultra member. It looks like this exactly, pretty clean. And we're gonna have a look at the benefits, but the main benefit that you'll be getting right here is all these memberships pretty much for free right here. WeWork, you're gonna be getting pretty much three times a month pass. You get financial time for free, sleep cycle for free, NordVPN for free. I use NordVPN for like 2 years now, so that's obviously very good for me. I will be getting that for free. And obviously you could get up to 1.2% cash back on every transaction depending where you are, and that's about it. Need to cancel your trip, no problem. Get up to 5,000 back on trains, flight, hotels, accommodation. You get unlimited access to lounge. So compared to metal before, yes, you had access to lounge, lounge, but you had to pay $28. Now remember guys that you can't essentially get into lounge even if you don't have a Revolut card or MasterCard or Amex card. You need to essentially have some sort of plan, right? You can't just go to a lounge and pay. It doesn't work like that. So you need to have some sort of Revolut card or, you know, Amex card or anything like that. But this one, you actually get unlimited access to lounge for free. So this is actually when you're paying really, you know, 50 euros, 45 euros for the first 3 months, you know, for the card, you're pretty much paying mostly for the lounge. Dragon Pass is very expensive. Me, someone who travels a lot, it's worth it. If you're not going to be traveling a lot, it's probably not worth it. If you don't trade a lot, if you don't do a lot of, you know, currency transaction, it's probably not worth it, right? But obviously you'll be getting all these memberships also for free: Financial Times, Sleep Cycle, Cloud Pass, Freeletics, NordVPN. I'm not sure what PIS card is, but obviously they all add up, and you also get pretty much lower fees on trading and supercharged saving 3.55%, and that's about it. Now the metal card, compared to that, yes, it's a little bit cheaper, but it's not, obviously doesn't offer, you know, you have to pay for a lounge pass, and that's about it. So let's have a look at some of the comparison right here. Metal Ultra, 45 euros a month. Obviously this is an offer. I believe it's only till July, and it's for 3 months, so that's about it. Metal, it's $12.99. I believe this is pound, not euros. And you could see right here, so you could personalize your card, nothing too crazy, but it is, of course, they're both metal. So cashback on reward, yes, you could get it. Premium and standard you don't get. The thing that I really like about metal and premium is that you have in-app chat. Standard, you don't have that. So if you have any questions, you can really ask them, and this really helps. If you have any questions about anything, if you need help with anything, they could help you, whether it's refund, getting a new card, and you know, that all that, they could really help you. And now they added a request a callback feature, so that's obviously very interesting for people who can be on the phone a lot, chat a lot. They can request a callback and get it, you know, sorted out within minutes. And the interesting thing about this is, when I was a metal user, I needed a new card because the Wi-Fi didn't essentially work, and within 3 days, they send me a new card, right? So I messaged them. I was like, hey, I need a new card, my Wi-Fi is not working. You know, I go to the store, it keeps getting declined. I always have to insert the card, ABC, whatever. Within 3 days, they send me a new metal card, and then that's when I pretty much ordered the ultra card. Now what's really interesting about this is that you can get up to £2,000 or 2,000 euros of a monthly limit ATM withdrawal. So compared to standard and premium, you only get 400 and 200, which is very low. But metal right here is 800, which is okay. I didn't really need to withdraw more than 800, more than 600, but you could see right here that ultra is obviously 2,000. So if you're someone who likes to withdraw a lot of money outside, and for free, by the way, there's no fees, right? Unless you go to a regular ATM. But if it's a bank ATM, there's no fees. But if you're someone who likes to withdraw a lot of money and you're traveling a lot, this is probably very worth it, and you're going to save a lot of money on fees. And that's about it. Partner subscription included, so you can see metal and premium doesn't have it, but ultra have it. So you probably have at least $10 to $15 with WeWork, maybe $20 worth of subscription right here on ultra. So you could do literally 45 minus 20 bucks, 15 bucks, and you'll pretty much get your result. Plus you have the Dragon Pass, which is very expensive. So obviously, if, like I said, if you're traveling a lot and you're going to be using all the subscription, you're probably gaining back all the money, right? And of course you get a 1.2% cashback, which is obviously very cool on Pro, guys, on Pro. So me, I have Revolut Pro, and you could see on the metal I would only get 0.8%, and now I get 1.2% cashback on my Pro account. Okay, Revolut under 18, I don't really look at it, but you could see right here that it's you know, you get 1 account, 2 account, 5 with full access, nothing too crazy. Airport lounge access. So premium and metal, it is discounted, but ultra, it is unlimited. So like I said, guys, at the beginning of the video, you can really just go to any Revolut, any lounge overall, and just pay for it, right? You need to have either metal, premium, or ultra for free. So if you go to ultra, it's free. If you use metal and premium, it will be, I believe, 25 euros. And by the way, it is very worth it. I paid I believe I paid for 2-3 lounge. I was in Miami, I had a connected flight, I was out, I didn't shower for like 11 hours, and guess what happened? I showered, it was fresh, there was food, I was fresh, it was clean, and I rested pretty well. So well worth 25 euros. I know for a lot of people it's not worth it, but it's really up to you. And that's about it. You could see right here cashback on accommodation. So on standard and premium is 5%, 3%. Metal and ultra is 10%. Now I wish that the ultra plan was a little bit more than 10%. I think it should be 15, but that's about that. I did use a lot of the 10% cashback on the metal. It was worth it. I got a bunch of money back, which is cool. And the good thing about this is that it's instant cashback. So you booked your hotel or your accommodation or whatnot, you have to do it through Stay, and then boom, you get a 10% cashback right away, which is obviously very good. Global medical insurance, that's obviously very important for a lot of people. You get up to 10 million right here. Car hire excess insurance 2,000, winter sport insurance 3,000, luggage loss, damage or delay insurance, that's 1,000. Obviously premium is a little bit like that. And that's about it. Personal liability insurance, 1 million for metal and 1 million for ultra. Interest on savings, you guys can see right here that ultra obviously 3.55 AER gross variable, compared to 3.44, 3%, or standard 2.29%. Now obviously I don't have the plus right here because I don't think it's worth getting the plus. If you're gonna get one, either stick with the standard or the premium, but that's obviously my that's my choice, right? Crypto exchange fees, so you could see right here that on standard you get 1.49, and right here ultra is 0.49%. Now me, obviously I'm someone who trades crypto a lot, but I won't trade crypto all the time on Revolut. I'll use other exchanges essentially, but 0.49% is pretty cheap. I'm not gonna lie. No minimum fee right here. And commodity exchange fees, you could see it's 1.49%. It says right here minimum one euro fee, minimum 1 euro fee, but here there's no 1 euro fee minimum. So overall, that's what ultra is. It is a very nice car overall. A lot of people use it for the flex. Me, I'm not gonna lie, I do use it for a little bit for the flex as well. It's a nice beautiful card. It's clean, it's fresh, it's new, and you know, I've been a Revolut user for 1.5 years, metal user, so why not, you know, go up to the ultra member. Now obviously it's expensive, I'm not gonna lie. 45 pounds a month, 50 euros, whatever it is, it's not cheap. Okay, not a lot of people can afford that. People have bills to pay, but of course it's up to you to make your decisions right here. If you actually join on your first month right here, you could get up to 5% cash back on purchases made in your first month with ultra when you upgrade to the annual plan essentially. So that's obviously pretty good. 5% cash back, it's clean, it's a lot of cards don't offer 5% cash back on purchases. On that they usually offer 2%, 3%, 4% maximum, and that's very rare, but that's about it. So that is my video, guys, on Revolut ultra, Revolut metal. If you guys like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow.